This is day 20. This is day 37 of trying to get every ancient cookie, and day 1 of trying to get the Crunchy Crisp cookie. Oh my gosh! Yes! Yes, the first try! Yes! What? Liquid cookie? What? Oh, for a second I thought it was lilac cookie because I saw the flowers. But it was cherry blossom cookie. What will this one have? Nothing. I can promote pancake cookie. What will this one have? Nothing. Avocado cookie soulstone. What will this one have? Nothing. Cherry cookie soulstone. Alright. Last magic cookie cutter. Well, what would it have? Oh my gosh! Nailed it, my guy. Or maybe I didn't nail it. I got parfait cookie. I can promote her! Go do that right now. Wait. Oh, I can do more gacha. This one does not have any cookie. But it has cotton cookie soulstone.
Can I have your acorn jellies?
Well, you can have your soulstones.
Is that an acorn jelly?
I think.
Welcome to my live stream.
Hold on, let me level up your skill. I'm gonna promote you, Parfait Cookie.
Check out my new tunes. Pew!
Also, if you want to join my guild, type in gummies in the guild menu, and then it will appear, and the The guild leader is me.